How to make Harry Potter in Infinite Craft. Let's go. Start by mixing earth and wind to make dust, and fire and water to create steam. Dust plus earth gives you a planet, and water plus water makes a lake. Now mix planet and steam to create steampunk. Lake plus water gives you an ocean, and earth with water grows a plant. Now it's time to sail. Combine ocean with steampunk to get a steampunk pirate. Plant and steam makes tea, while planet plus wind forms a storm. Mix storm with tea and you've got a tempest. Fire and wind gives you smoke. Combine plant and the steampunk pirate to get a steampunk plant. Then smoke with steampunk plant gives you a steampunk tree. Dust and water creates mud, and earth and fire makes lava. Mud plus steampunk tree gives you a swamp, and lava plus tempest forms a volcano. Next up, combine plant and swamp to get a Venus flytrap. And plant with tempest makes a tree. Now steampunk pirate with wind makes an airship, and ocean plus ocean gives you the sea. Dust and volcano creates ash, and tree with Venus flytrap becomes a carnivore. Airship and lava gives you a dragon, plant and wind makes a dandelion, and lava plus sea forms stone. Ash and dust gives you cinder, carnivore and swamp gives you a crocodile, and dragon with dandelion creates a dragonfly. Cinder and stone makes glass. Crocodile and earth gives you Egypt, and dragonfly with dust becomes a fairy. Glass and lake gives you a mirror. Egypt and plant creates papyrus, and earth and fairy becomes a gnome. Lake and mirror gives you Narcissus. Gnome and papyrus makes a scroll, and mirror with Narcissus gives you a selfie. Now it gets magical. Airship and fire creates a crash. Fire and scroll makes a spell. Crash and selfie gives you a selfie stick. And finally, selfie stick and spell creates a wand. Now for the secret agent side of things. Combine two dandelions to make a dandelion patch. Dandelion patch with lake makes a duck. Duck and water makes a duckling. Dust and tree gives you wood, and duck and duckling makes a family. And fire with wood gives you a campfire. Earth plus family gives you a farm, and campfire and earth forms charcoal. Earth and farm makes a field, and charcoal plus charcoal creates coal. Fire and wind gives you smoke, and field plus steam gives you fog. Now coal with fire gives you a diamond. Fairy with plant gives you a flower. Diamond with fog makes frost. Steam plus steampunk pirate gives you a steampunk pirate ship. Flower plus plant gives you a garden. Frost and frost creates ice. Steampunk pirate ship and stone builds Stonehenge. Planet plus planet makes a star. Garden and swamp creates a marsh, and ice with stone gives you an iceberg. Steam and Stonehenge creates time, and ocean with star gives you a sea star. Now here comes the finish line. Iceberg plus marsh gives you a penguin. Sea star and time gives you a starfish. Stone plus stone gives you a boulder. Marsh and penguin makes a tuxedo. Boulder plus starfish creates a stonefish. Now combine stonefish with tuxedo, and James Bond is here. And the final magical touch, combine wand with James Bond. And just like that, you created Harry Potter.